Hello everybody, welcome to Friday. It was a great day for the S&P 500 today. Was up 1.1% almost, and it was really strong all day. Just kind of took off and continued up all day long. And the big story for today is today's the first day where we've had leadership from some of the stocks and categories that did really poorly during the downturn. They divide the S&P 500 up into 11 different industrial classifications, and so I follow those all the time each day to see where the leadership has been coming. Most of the leadership since the bottom of the market has come from technology, biotechnology, health sciences of all types, all things that we kind of need and are in demand during this particular time frame with this pandemic and what have you, and working from home and whatever. And so today we saw a movement towards financials and energy and industrials. Well, if we go back to about the third week of May, that happened then also. We started to see a movement towards those type of stocks, and they did really well, all the way up until the 11th of June. On the 11th of June, the S&P 500 dropped almost 6%. Those particular pieces really, they got crushed in that downturn, and they didn't come back, and it's been almost a month. But today's the first day we're seeing that happen again, which I think is kind of fascinating. Theoretically, banks are at risk in this environment because of high unemployment. There'd be more bad loans. Energy's at risk because people aren't moving around as much. Travel is cut back and those types of things. And so we'll have to see where this goes. Part of this is just because, the market, again, is sort of like a rubber band. Technology and health sciences have jumped so much, and we've had such a good month since the 11th of June. And so there's bound to be some pullback, and we saw some of that today. So that's really the theory. That's the thing to watch for. I think it'll be really interesting to see if that carries through to next week. Sometimes things that happen on Friday don't carry through to Monday, so we'll see what happens there. But it's an important component to watch for this piece. So everybody have a great weekend, and I look forward to talking to you again on Monday. Thank you.